Welcome to the end of your day. You made it. You have done enough for the day. You are enough. This is your sacred time to release the weight of the day and return to yourself. So I invite you to lie down in your bed. Make yourself as comfortable as you can. Make yourself warm. And let your body sink into the mattress. Adjust everything, your clothes, your position, your pillow, your blanket. And let everything be just right. And now close your eyes. There is nowhere else to go. Nothing else to do. The world can wait until tomorrow. Right now, there is only you and this moment of rest. Now bring your awareness to your breath and don't try to change it. Just watch it flow in and out. A gentle rhythm like waves lapping on the shore. Just be aware of the breath and don't try to change it. With every exhale now, imagine a wave of relaxation washing down your body. From the top of your head, softening your forehead, relaxing your jaw, melting your shoulders away from your ears. Let your chest be heavy. Let your belly be soft. Let your hips sink down. And let your legs and feet turn outwards. And your whole body is heavy, warm and safe. And as you lie in here in this safe space, let us gently look back on the day with the eyes of gratitude. Not for what you achieved, but for simply just being there. I am grateful for this body that carried me through the day. Whatever challenges it faced, whatever pain it may hold, it is here supporting me now. Thank you, body. I love you. I'm grateful for the small moments. A sip of tea, a moment of sunlight, a smile from a stranger, the breath in my lungs. I treasure these simple gifts. I'm grateful for my challenges. Even the difficult moments today taught me something about my strength, my boundaries, or my needs. I honor the lessons. I am grateful for having made it through today. I acknowledge all the invisible work I did today. The emotional labor, the caring, the thinking. It is seen, it is valued. I'm grateful for this bed. I'm grateful for the shelter that my house, that my room is giving me. I'm grateful for the sanctuary of sleep. And now it's time to put it down, the heavy bags you have been carrying. Imagine placing them outside the door of your mind. Any worries about tomorrow, put them down. Any guilt about what you didn't finish today, just put it down there. Any conversations that are replaying in your mind, let them fade into silence. You are not responsible for anything right now. You have permission to stop giving. And you have the permission to just receive rest. Now, in this state of quiet gratitude, plant a seed of peace in your heart. This is your evening sankalpa. I am at peace. All is well. Repeat it silently. I am at peace and all is well. I release the day. I trust the night. I rest to heal. I rest to rise. And now drift deeper, deeper into the velvet darkness behind your eyes. Your body is asleep, your mind is at peace, and your heart is full of gratitude. Just sleep, deep sleep, healing sleep. Let go completely. Good night.